Hi, my name is Quinn Robertson. I'm currently a sophomore at NYU Tandon School of Engineering, studying mechanical and aerospace engineering. And today I will be talking about the James Webb Space Telescope. I remember when I was about 8 years old, my family brought me to the Kennedy Space Center because I was really interested in taking out my telescope and looking at the moon and the stars. And I remember just being amazed at all the technology that people have developed over just the past 100 years, like the space shuttles, rockets, and especially the Hubble telescope, because it takes all of these stunning images of planets and faraway galaxies, things that I couldn't see from my little telescope at home. The Hubble telescope is a space telescope that allows us to look at really far away galaxies and stars. Because light takes time to travel, the further away an object or a galaxy is, the further back in time that we're looking. So essentially, the Hubble Space Telescope is like a time machine. The Webb is kind of like a successor to the Hubble telescope. It's a lot larger, it's a lot more precise, and we'll be able to see a lot younger galaxies that isn't possible with the Hubble telescope, because the Hubble telescope relies more on UV and visible light, while the Webb telescope relies more on infrared. I mean, I'm sure the images that are going to come out of this are, one, going to be absolutely beautiful, because it'll be things that we were never able to look at before, and we will be able to learn a lot about how the universe was created and the origins of how galaxies form. The Hubble was designed in 1978 and launched in 1990, so you can just imagine how old that technology is now. Hubble is currently in low Earth orbit at about 570 kilometers above the surface, and the Webb telescope will be orbiting at the L2 point, which is 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth, and it will match Earth's orbit around the Sun. Well, this is really beneficial because it will block a lot of the light out from the Sun and the reflections from the Earth and the Moon. So the James Webb Space Telescope launches in 2018, which is my graduation date actually, and I'm super excited to see it launch and see new, more precise and better images of galaxies we've already seen and new discoveries of galaxies that we haven't seen.